Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Form 8948. Prepared explanation for not filing electronically. It is a form used to explain why a particular return being filed on paper. Attach this form with your tax return you prepare and furnish to the taxpayer for taxpayer signature. File Form 8948 with the tax return that is filed on paper. If you are filing Form 8948 due to a rejection that you are not able to resolve due to IRS e-file specification, limitation, or a master file rejection, enter the rejection code in the ERC number filed. The tax year of the return associated with Form 8948 must be entered. The name and the preparer tax identification number or PTIN of the preparer also must be entered on the form. So guys, Form 8940 is used to file with the paper filing tax return. This is basically a single page form, you can see, and the purpose of the form is to use specific tax return preparer to explain why a particular return being filed on paper. A specific tax return preparer may be required by law to electronically file certain covered returns. These are exceptions to these requirements, and Form 8940 is used by specific tax return preparer to identify a return that meet allowable exceptions. So guys, what I am saying is basically the IRS, you can find it in the IRS publication. And now we will discuss about specific tax return preparer. So who is specific tax return preparer? A specific tax return preparer, a tax return preparer as specified or identified in section 7701A36 of regulation section 301.771-15. So this is all about the rules and regulations of the IRS, nothing else. Who prepare covered returns and who reasonably expect a number of return of more than 11 covered returns during a calendar year. So now you can ask, what is covered returns? The covered returns include any return of tax imposed by subtitle A on individuals, estates and trusts. Some covered returns are not currently capable of being accepted electronically by the IRS. In certain instances, the IRS has instructed taxpayers not to file some covered returns electronically. Additionally, certain covered returns cannot be e-filed if they have attached forms, schedules, or documents that the IRS does not accept electronically, and these forms, schedules, and documents cannot be sent to the IRS separately using Form 8453. Guys, 8453 form is US Individual Income Tax Transmittal Form IRS e-file return as a transmittal document. In any of these situations, the preparer does not need to complete and submit the Form 8948. However, if the form, schedules, or the documents can be sent to the IRS separately using Form 8453 or Form 8453F as a transmittal document, the rest of the return must be filed. Now we are going to discuss the Form 8948 in details, means line by line, so that you have better idea about the form. Guys, please have a look on the above or upper portion of the form. Here you will be able to see the name of the taxpayer, name of the preparer, preparer identification number, name of the tax return, names on the tax return or the taxpayer name, tax year of return, taxpayer identification number or TIN. Now, 3 of the 4 taxpayers use IRS e-file. This is the website of IRS. For the details on using IRS e-file, this is the system or this is the website where you can easily log in and you can see how to e-file your return. The benefits of electronic filing include the following: faster refunds, secure transmissions, e-pay options, more accurate returns, easier filing method, received acknowledged. Now coming to the lines. So basically, check the applicable box to indicate the reasons this reason is not being filed electronically. So these are the reasons why a return cannot be e-filed. Do not check more than one box. So guys, you can check only or tick only one box, not more than one. Line number 1 indicates check this box if the taxpayer has chosen to file on paper and the return is prepared by the preparer but will be submitted by mail by the taxpayer. Means he doesn't want to file his return electronically. The taxpayer choose to file his tax return on paper. Coming to line number 2, preparer received a waiver from the requirement to electronically file the tax return, waiver reference number, approval letter date. Number 3, the preparer is a member of a recognized religious group that is conscientiously opposed to file electronically. Number 4, the return was rejected by IRS e-file and the reject condition could not be resolved. But I have already discussed, you have to input the reject code and number of attempts to resolve the reject. Number 5, the preparer e-file software package does not support. You have to mention the form like 8453 or 8453 or schedule, name of the schedule attached to this form. Check the box that applies and provide additional information if requested. 6a, the preparer is ineligible to file electronically because IRS e-file does not accept foreign preparer without social security number who live and work abroad. 6b, the preparer is ineligible to participate in IRS e-file. C, other, describe below the circumstances that prevented the preparer from filing this tax return. So guys, you can write the other reasons as well, like the return cannot be e-filed due to software reasons, or due to technical issue. So whatever the reason, you have to tick or you have to write here in details so that IRS can come to know why the reason is being filed on paper, not electronically. So guys, I will show you this form in our software Drake so that you will have a better idea how it flows. You can see this is Drake. Now I am going to type 8948. Enter. See, form 8948 prepared explanation not filing electronically. These are the same boxes which I have already discussed. So you can tick any of the box. I am showing you. You have to tick here. Now Control V. Form 8948. So guys, the form is flowing. I have ticked taxpayer choose to file the form on paper. That's what it is showing here. Okay, let's write here the return cannot be e-filed due to software reason. Now let's see what happened. See, the return cannot be filed due to software reason. So whatever the reason you will provide here, it will show in the form. Now before I conclude this video, I am quickly recapitulating what I have discussed. So guys, this is form 8948 is basically a form used to explain why a particular tax return being filed on paper. Attach this form with your tax return you prepare and furnish to the taxpayer for the taxpayer signature, file Form 8948 with the tax return that is filed on paper. If you are filing Form 8948 due to a rejection that you are unable to resolve due to IRS e-file specification limitations or a master file rejection, enter the rejection code in the ERC number filed. Please remember guys, the taxpayer, the taxier of the tax return associated with the e-form 8948 must be entered. You can see the taxier of the return, names on the tax return and the taxpayer identification. You have to provide everything like preparer's name, preparer identification number or PTIN. It needs to be provided here on Form 8948. Also, you have to tick the reason why you are filing the Form 8948, like if the taxpayer has chosen to file the return on paper, the preparer received a waiver from the requirement to electronically file the tax return, waiver reference number, approval later date, the preparer is a member of recognized religious group that is consciously opposed to filing electronically, the return was rejected by IRS e-file, the reject condition could not be resolved, rejection code, number of attempts to resolve the rejection, the preparer's e-file software package does not support form, it may be 8453, it may be 8453F, whatever the form number and the schedules, you have to attach, you have to mention here in the form, check the box that applies and provide additional information if requested, like the preparer is eligible to file electronically because IRS e-file doesn't accept foreign preparers without social security numbers who live or work abroad. The preparer is ineligible to participate in IRS e-file or the described below the circumstances that prevented the preparer from filing the tax return electronically. Also, you can see the form in the software. Let's see again. Let's have a look. Yeah, Form 8948, preparer explanation not to file electronically. So guys, this is all about Form 8948. I believe you have understood. Goodbye.